Alrighty, let's get into this makeup look. So skincare first. As usual, Hyperreal Serumizer, rubbing that in, and then over top of that, the Hyperreal Balm. I always do this first so that it has time to sit and sink into the skin and do what it needs to do so that the makeup sits really nicely. I'm going to use the Lip Gloss Blow. 24-hour eye base, and then brows. I love the formula of this Maybelline Brow Lock. I just don't like the brush. It's too soft. I know I say it all the time, but the product is really good. So I'm going in with Cozy Grey, and this is just going to be the transition shade straight through the crease, inner and outer corners. And then I'm going to use Wedge to deepen that out. So the way that I'm doing this is going back and forth between the shades. You will notice that I change brushes back and forth to get a really nice blend. Then I'm going into Uninterrupted and Sonic Chocolate to darken the inner and outer corners. I always start on the outer corner to darken first, so then I know how deep and how dark I can go on the inner corner. Going back in with Wedge to blend. This look is very much a lot of back and forth, a lot of mixing colors. I do have a color switch. I don't show that, but I do wipe my brush off quite often. I took a wedge all over the lid and then used Cozy Grey on the lid as well so that it's all cohesive and it works through. Then I'm taking Les Artistes. It's a really nice, like a grey, antique grey. On the lid, and then give me Cyberspace as my definition color. So I've gone to a smaller brush. I'm just putting that in the outer V, and then I will take it on the inner corner as well. Very little taps on the inner corner. And then I'm taking the Coffee eyeliner pencil from MAC and using that on the top waterline and just softening that out. I'm not blending too much with that. I'm also taking it on the inner rim of my lower lash line as well for a bit of definition. And then what's left on the brush, a little bit of Cozy Grey and Uninterrupted, and I'm just using that to blend underneath the lower lash line so that it's all connected. And then I do take Cozy Grey just to go over the top of everything to help blend it out. Then time for some mascara, and then we move on to the skin. So taking Fix Plus Magic Radiance, I always pop this on right before I start working with products. And again, another sip of coffee. You cannot get ready without coffee. I'm taking this cream contour from She Glam, I think it's called Fawn. And I'm just taking that in the outer perimeter of my face with the flat top foundation brush. I did use this in my other video. I'm still not sure how I feel about it, so I did end up switching to my regular foundation brush. Then I'm taking this cream blush. This is the Glow Play in Ginger Luck, and just popping that on the tops of my cheeks. The face and the base routine has been very, very similar on a day-to-day basis, just because it's neutral, it works, it's comfortable. And I really like how the shades turn out, especially when they wear throughout the day. So I just did a spray of Radiance, and then I've gone in with my foundation. So we're using Studio Fix as well as Strobe Dewy Skin Tint, and then mixing that on the brush and just tapping that in to the skin over all of the products. Then we're going in with another spritz of Fix Plus Magic Radiance, and then we use my mirror as a fan to dry that. I'm going to go in with some concealer. This is a Studio Radiance concealer, and just pop that underneath my eyes. It just sits really well on my eyes at the moment. I do go back and forth between this and the Studio concealer. This one just sits really well at the minute. And then for cream bronzer, I'm using the NARS cream bronzer in Casino. This has got to be my favorite cream bronzer, in saying that I haven't been able to find another one in another brand that is this shade. So I really do enjoy this one. And I'm just blending that out. I'm applying it with a smaller brush and then using my foundation brush to blend it in. Then going back in with Ginger Luck, I think it was just to reinforce that on the cheeks, and mix that in with the cream bronzer. So now all creams and liquids are done. I'm just going to use a really good layer of Stay Over Fix Plus, and then I will let that fully dry before I go in with my powders. So you can let it air dry or you can use a fan. I'm taking Give Me Some bronzer on the outer perimeter of my face. I think this just works really well with the cheek combo that I've been using lately, and it just gives me that warmth back. I've been quite ill and my color's kind of gone, so I'm bringing it back. Warm Soul blush on top of our cheeks, and it just gives that bit of life. Honestly, it's such a beautiful combination. Then Soft and Gentle highlighter, using a fan brush with it today, and just popping that on the tops of my cheekbones. And then I kind of take it up around the eyebrow and just, don't even know what I'm saying, and just lighten up that part of my face. So underneath my eyes, I'm taking this setting duo. It's the lavender and the translucent, and I just take a really dense brush, mix the two together, and then push that into my under eye. I don't have to set this concealer. It does wear quite well without it, but I wanted to have everything in place today. It's so hot. This summer has just been so crazy, so I wanted to make sure that nothing moved. Then for lips, I'm taking the Lip Glazer lip pencil in Whirlin. It's really, really pretty. I've been wearing this quite a lot lately. It's just like 2 tones darker than my lip shade, so it sits very well on my lips with just a bit of a gloss. But I am using a Locket. What's this one called? A Locket lipstick? Locket? I can't remember. And it's just a lipstick. It's one of the long wear lipsticks. It's really, really nice. It's comfortable to wear, and it fits in well with that lip liner as well. I just went over it again before the lipstick set, just to blend in that lip liner. And then over the top, I'm using this lip gloss air that came in the Christmas set. That was the Teddy Christmas lip set. So yeah, that's it for this look. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think down in the comments section. If you like seeing these smaller, quicker tutorials, let me know. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.